Hi everyone, Nancy from Ash's Treasure. Yeah, it's been a couple of days, maybe a week or so, since I uploaded a video. But first, I want to show everybody the garden where our little things are growing. Now, this one, the rosemary, some come up and then they go away. This is oregano, and they all have a mind of its own. And then here's our basil. So, they're doing pretty good. Unfortunately, I'm a little sad. We only got one thing of the mushrooms, and that was it. So, was it worth it? Yes, it was worth a try. Will I buy another one? I don't think I will. Now, I get to the light. We did redo our seeds. So it has a little indoor greenhouse effect going on. Nothing's popped up yet, but I have plenty of stuff to use to when it starts going. I can't wait to have our own cucumbers and tomatoes and radishes and carrots. Hold on, somebody wants to say something.
Nana.
Yeah.
See some of our blueberries.
Berries. That is basil.
Wow, look at all of our berries.
They're not berries, they're herbs. She wants to call them berries, so I'll call whatever she wants to call. But that's what's been going on. A little here, a little this and that.
Come.
Watching everybody else's channel, it's like it's been a week for everybody. Everybody's been sick or hurt.
Yeah.
And I understand. I don't normally say a lot about my physical ailments because why? It's just they're just there, and I don't know. It's just I'm never like telling it, but it is what I have. I've got 7 herniated discs, C67, T7, 8, and 9, or 8, 9, and 10, and L3 and 4. And every year at this time, some strange reason, something moves or acts up, and I feel like I'm walking in a fun house. But it's not fun. And I'm talking about when you go into the fun house and they get the things going back and forth like this. Yeah, that's why it's been all week long. So that's why I was just like, I sit down and I go to get up and I'm like, the vertigo has got to stop because I can't do much. Bending over to pick something up is like, So I've had my little helper who's over there helping me out all week, and of course my kids have helped me. I still call them kids, even though they're 26 and 28. Oh, I don't know what would happen if it hadn't been for them. My son has really stuck through it all. Has seen a lot. But the Lord has also brought us through a lot, and He's still there for us every day. And that's the key right there, where your faith is. And just things that people were just like, wow, you've been through that. Yeah. And I don't know if it's, I'm not proud, it's not pride, I just don't talk about it. It's in the past, and that's where I want to leave it. So with that, I hope everybody's having a wonderful day, whether it's raining or sun shining or even snowing. Because, yeah, some states we're still getting snow. Well, not here, but across the United States. So with that, I hope everybody has a wonderful day. Thank you for subscribing, and for my new subscribers, thank you for coming and joining. And I'll see you next time on Ash's Treasure. Please subscribe, hit the bell for notifications, and give us a thumbs up. Later.